Hi everyone, welcome to the 3-Minute Math YouTube channel where we go to solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2001 AMC 8, question number 7. What is the minimum possible product of three different numbers of the set? So we see negative numbers here, which means that the most negative number possible is one that involves these negative numbers. So our first possibility is minus 8 times minus 6 times minus 4 is one good possibility. And you can only get this negative number if you have three negatives, or if you have just one negative, because if you have two negatives, it becomes a positive value. So one negative, if you want to maximize the value, you have to pick minus 8, and that means we have to pick two positives, which means we can have 5 or 7 here. So we can have minus 8 times 5 or 7. Now to increase the magnitude, this would only multiply to be 24, and this would multiply to be 35. Which means that minus 8 times 5 times 7 would be more negative in magnitude. So multiplying this, we get minus 8 times 35 is minus 280, which means that B is our answer.